All right, y'all. We on to the greens. Of course, these collard greens, some of my favorite. They freshly washed. Now, I did use, some instructions a certain way when I do my greens and how I wash them. So this is what I did for people that want to know. I used 2 cups of apple cider vinegar, and I used a half of cup of salt. And I soaked them in there. I washed them. I used a little hand brush and brushed any little dirt or little grit or anything I seen on them like that. So 2 cups of apple cider vinegar and half a cup of salt. That's how I clean my greens. That's the instructions for cleaning your greens. If you want to know how I clean mine, that's how I do it. And I clean them into that, that bright green and everything like that. Nothing on them. So I feel like they exactly, where they need to be. So sometimes I give a 2 wash history. I just get the job done. I want to make sure these greens is clean and, ain't nobody getting sick from it. So, and this is about, I want to say maybe four bundles of greens. Not too much. So, what I'm about to do, remember they freshly washed. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to get them rolled up and get them chopped, and then get my onion and bell pepper and tomatoes chopped up. Cause I saute those first, and then add in my smoked chicken legs, and then the grease. And the greens be the last thing I put in, because I like for that to saute and kind of get that flavor and that meat from them veggies and peppers and stuff like that. So I'm gonna get these chopped down real easy, real simple, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show y'all what I'm working with. We don't get on to the next step.